This is just a quick video about how some things turn out to be simple and not the nightmare that you might be worried about. I have this annoying vibration in my engine. It's sort of a metallic trill that comes and goes at certain revs. So if you're anything like me, your mind immediately goes to engine internals and something serious, you know, the engine's about to commit suicide tomorrow and so on. But then your rational brain takes over and you think there are a bunch of things that could be making this sort of noise, so let's try to find it. So listening to noises in the engine bay is really difficult because there are lots of different sources of sound. You can have a listen anyway and try to isolate the noise if you can reproduce it. In my case, I had a bit of a hunch that it could be the exhaust heat shield vibrating a bit. See, if I punch it here, I can get a bit of reverberation. Now this is basically a thin metal shell which would in theory make some good sound if it's allowed to resonate. And I know that this was removed a while back because I had a shop take off the exhaust manifold. So I started thinking maybe the bolts weren't as tight as they should be. And sure enough, these top machine bolts turned quite easily. So here's suspect number 1. I torqued them down to the specified torque, which is about 10 Newton meters. And then I had a look at these screws around the edge of the shell where it joins to the bottom half. And here I ran into a problem because all of the screws kept turning and wouldn't let me get any torque on them. So I took them out to see what was going on. And you see there are these horrible panel screws which basically self-tap into sheet metal. Really horrible design because they won't take multiple uses and they're easy to strip out. So that's suspect number 2. So then I took the shield off to see what they were screwing into, and by the way, isn't this a rusting bolt that wants replacing? And yeah, with the top shield off, my fears were confirmed. These screws are just being threaded into the two thin sheets of metal with no thread inserts or brackets or anything. Just a really awful, lazy assembly. And you can't do anything sensible like replace them with a nut and bolt because you can't access the inside. So this might be a job in the future for a rivet nut. I might have a look at that, in which case I'll do another video, but I don't have the tool for the time being. So I just put the shield back in place and renewed the top bolts with stainless steel replacements, which make me happy. And then I mixed the panel screws around in the hopes of different threads being able to get a grip on something if they're used in different holes. And that idea actually worked with 2 of them, where I was able to apply a little bit of torque, but in the other 2 they just kept turning again, so I will have to come back to it. Anyway, this did actually resolve the vibration noise, at least temporarily, probably, until the screws loosen again, I guess. So happy days. And yeah, that was just all to say that sometimes those horrible noises you start hearing might not be so serious as you first imagine. Have fun.